What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan, this Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today we're going to be 3D printing this soul leveling dagger. This is the Fang Blade, the first one I think he gets. So we'll start with the main blade. It'll print both sides. You got 1, 2, then the handle. Then the middle inserts to make it whole. Then the blade on the side, the blade in the back of the handle. And then you got the inserts in the middle that give it this cool design. Same with this one. And then you got the gold parts for the handle and the middle. And then a little side piece. So we're going to slice this all together and see how long it's going to take for us to print all of this. So each plate is going to be about an hour long, except for the last one, which is about 5 hours. And altogether, it's going to be 14 hours and 23 minutes to print this blade. The filament cost will be about $8.54, and I'll be using about 341.68 grams of filament. And you can see all the colors of filament right there. So we're going to start printing and putting this together. All right, let's get to it.
Left behind, trapped in fate, bound and blind. Through the gates, through the pain, chose the hunt, broke the chain. Shadows move, they speak my name. No more fear, I play the game. I was nothing, now I reign. Fate was written, but I changed. From the darkness, born anew. I am stronger, I won't lose.
Now that we're done with his dagger, I think it came out pretty well. There are little minor details that I didn't like. Was they wanted to make this side of the blade black instead of silver. I wasn't paying attention when I was printing it, so I would have changed that. Same thing with the back. You have this little dagger thing in the back. I wish I would have made that silver as well. But all in all, for using colored filament instead of painting it myself, I think it came out pretty well. It fits kind of comfortably in the hand. And yeah, I think that's about it. Let me know if you guys want to see more blades like this. I think I'm going to do 2 more of his. And whenever if I find the file for it, so please let me know what you guys think in the description below. Or let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and thank you guys for watching. See ya.